Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So today we will continue with our topic 3. Okay, it is about information systems, organizations and strategy. So these are the lesson outcomes, okay, for this topic. The first one, you can identify and describe important features of organization. Number 2, you can demonstrate how the Porter's competitive forces model helped the companies to develop the competitive strategies. The third one, explain how the value chain and value web models help to identify the opportunities. Number 4, demonstrate how information system help business use the synergies, core competencies, and network-based strategies. And last one, you can assess the challenges posed by strategic information systems and management solutions. So these are the problem. Okay, the problem involved in any organization or company. The first one, fading brand, powerful competitors, technology cost. Okay, when you have these problems, so how you want to solve, okay, how you want to solve the problems. Okay, so we come up with the solutions. Okay, the first one, customer data mining. Okay, to improvise the customer intimacy, you have to collect all the data about your customer. Okay, number 2, design the sales floor, implement the customer programs and promotions. Okay, so all of these you can demonstrate IT's in central role in defining competitive strategy. So this is your strategy. What is your strategy? When you have the powerful competitors, so what is your strategy to tackle your customer to come back to you? Okay, so this is what you will learn in this topic. So IT and organizations. So these are the mediating factor that improvise the IT and organizations. The first one is about the structure. Okay, how the structure in the organization. Can change, okay, when you involve the IT in your organization, and also the business process. Okay, so maybe the business process become better or become effective, okay, compared to the manual one. The politics, okay, the politics in the organization. When you include the IT in your organizations, how about the political system? Political system ni siapa yang berkuasa lah. Okay, so we will see, okay, it is one of the factor. And also the culture, okay, the culture will change, the environment will change, and management decisions also might be changed. So what is organization? So we have two definition here. Technically, okay, organization is the formal social structure that process the resources from environment to produce output. Okay, so technically kita tahu benda ni adalah dia daripada resources, maknanya dia kena ada input, lepas tu daripada luar untuk kita produce output. Maknanya dia ada input, process, output, technically. Okay, and they have the formal legal entity with internal rules and procedures as well as a social structure. Technically, this is what organization. But in behavioral, okay, an organization is a collection of rights, privileges, obligations, and responsibilities delicately balanced over a period of time through conflict and conflict resolution. Dia lebih kepada memudah cara. Okay, apa yang perlu ada dalam satu organisasi adalah right and wrong. Okay, so dia kena balance benda ni. So behavior ini yang berlaku. So the technical microeconomic definition of the organization. Kita tengok organisation ni apa? So organisation ni tengah-tengah. So dia kena ada input, process, output. So from the environment, kita input kan, maknanya apa yang berlaku sekarang ni, so kita jadikan benda tu something that we can include in our organization. So we call it as input. And then we do the processes here. And lepas tu kita keluarkan balik sebagai kita punya product or services. Itu kita panggil sebagai output. Dan benda ni akan sentiasa berputar. Dia macam ada macam life cycle lah. Okay, so ini kita panggil sebagai organization. And behavior pula, dia lebih kepada environment resources and output dia lebih kepada environment output. So dalam dia ada apa? Dia ada structure, ada hierarchy, the business process, rules and procedures, division of labor, culture, process, right, obligations, norm, privileges, value and people. So dari banyak. Ini yang berlaku. Okay, technically kita tahu organisasi itu apa? Dia ada input, process, output. But in behavior, yang berlaku in reality, dia banyak sangat. So this is what we call as organization. So the features of organization, so they use the hierarchical structure. Dia mesti ada hierarchy, ada carta organisasi. Okay, and then they have the accountability, authority system of impartial decision making. Accountability maksudnya siapa yang buat kerja tu? Siapa yang ada authority dekat situ? Okay. And then adherence to principle of efficiency. Okay, sama ada principle of efficiency dekat sini kita akan tengok. Is it efficient enough? Okay, benda tu kat sini ada touch sikit about political system. And the routines and business process, organizational politics, culture, environments and structure. Okay, itu features yang kena ada dalam mana-mana organization. And other features juga, dia mesti ada goals, mesti ada constituencies. I know all of you should know what is constituencies. Dia lebih kepada macam kita kena patuh dia punya act, akta polisi, semua tu kan. Okay, and then dia lebih kepada leadership styles, tasks, surrounding, environment. So dia kena memenuhi benda ni. So these are the features of organization. So kalau you tengok kat sini yang kata refer to page 117, ini bergantung pada you punya textbook version mana. So yang ni kena tengok juga. Okay, so nanti boleh cari siapa yang ada e-book nanti ataupun textbook. So textbook edition 15 on 16 boleh tengoklah, ini dalam topik 3 ya. So ini kita panggil sebagai routine and business process. So ini adalah business firm, tengok besar. Okay, ini business firm. So business firm ni apa? Dia adalah collection of business process. So apa dia business process? It is a collection of routine. What is routine? It is the SOP. So individual routine. SOP ni individual. That's why macam apa yang berlaku sekarang new norm. So that's why dia kata patuhi SOP. Okay, you have to understand about SOP. Okay, so ulang balik. So routine ni dia lebih pada SOP, individual routine. So you have to follow each of the routine. Maknanya macam apa routine dia. So SOP dia. So maknanya kalau dia nak buat satu-satu proses, so they have to follow the SOP. And then and the last one yang paling kecil sekali is a precise rules, procedures and practices developed to cope with virtually all expected situations. Okay, other than that, okay, here we have organizational politics. These divergent viewpoints lebih kepada political struggle, competition and conflict. Okay, and then culture. This is about the culture in the organization. So maybe when do you change the culture, so benda ni akan ikut sekali. And then the environment. Okay, have the reciprocal relationship, open to and dependent on the social and physical environment and can influence their environment. So information system ni lebih kepada macam environmental scanning. So dia macam lens. Okay, dia act as a lens. So ini adalah business firm. So business firm ni dia ada firm kita banyak. Dia ada teknologi, dia ada knowledge, financial institutions, government, customer, competitors and culture. And information system ni dekat sini je. So yang jadi you pasal tak? Yang lain tu macam kabur. So information system ni dia akan nampak lebih jauh sebab dia yang akan membuat satu-satu sistem tu to make it benda tu effective and very fast. Okay, better and have the dia mesti ada benefit dekat situ. And then we look at the disruptive technology. Disruptive technology ni maksudnya adalah kalau innovation kita doing the same thing a bit better. Okay, benda yang sama macam benda tu dah okay tapi kita buat macam hebat sikit je. Okay, tapi disruption ni making things that make the old things obsolete. Ini kita maksud disruptive. We change, totally change. Okay, example, personal computer daripada PC yang besar, monitor yang besar, yang berat, warna putih tu, And then dia punya screen dia pakai kaca, glasses. So sekarang dia dah lebih kepada pakai lebih kepada LCD. Okay. And then LED. Okay, lepas tu word processing software. Dulu kita pakai word star. Now we move to Microsoft Office. Same goes to internet browser. Dulu kita ada Netscape Navigator. Now no more Netscape Navigator. So we have Google. We have the Mozilla. We have the Opera. Okay, kita ada banyak lagi. So benda macam ni. Okay, ada internet pun makin lama dia ada penambahbaikan dekat situ. So this is what we call as disruptive technology. So in disruptive technology, dia ada first movers and fast follower. Okay, first movers, inventors of the disruptive technology. So dialah adalah orang yang pertama yang memperkenalkan. For example, Apple. Dia memperkenalkan kita punya apa tu yang you dengar lagu tu? Kejap. Apa nama dia? iPod kan yang dengar lagu tu. So dia adalah inventor. So lepas tu lain semua ikut. Lepas tu we come up with the iPad. Okay, so dia first mover. Fast follower, firm with the size and resources to capitalize on that technology. That's why we call Apple and Google as the disruptive technology because they make things that make the old things obsolete. Dia buang balik benda-benda itu semua. Okay, macam Microsoft Office, kita tak boleh cakap dia sebagai disruptive technology because kalau word star we change itu Microsoft Office, yes. But from Microsoft word 2010 and 2013 itu adalah innovation because dia buat a bit better. Okay, so you have to understand about it. Alright, so I stop until here first. So nanti kita akan ada Q&A dulu before we move into the next slide. So if you have any questions, please raise up your hand and then we will discuss until disruptive technologies. Okay, thank you guys.